Let's see how to make these Tokyo Drift car swap video. AVCLabs generators can switch the car and the character in the video online for free. You can find the prompt in the detail box and then follow us to generate your own drift car swap video. First, upload an image into AVCLabs image generator online, then enter the prompt to the text box. Choose the appropriate resolution and aspect ratio. Click Generate button, wait for minutes to download. This step makes the character in the car you want. Next, upload this image into AVCLabs video generator online. Enter the prompt into it. You can even make a movie shot, like tell it slightly to the right side. Then, choose video length, resolution, and aspect ratio. And click Generate button. Download it after a while. Your own drift car swap video is all done. You can also upload your own images to make yourself the character in Fast and Furious. AVCLabs offers free trials more than once. Welcome to find the link below to have a try.